Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells. Thanks for coming back for another video. And I wanted to let you know that my estate sale course is now ready. So let me show you what it's about, how to find it, and tell you a little bit about why I put this together. In the last 20 years or so, the estate sale business has become an industry. There are companies that are franchised, that are national franchises, and it's kind of the perfect storm of conditions that have created this estate sale industry that we can benefit from as eBay sellers. Part of it is because the baby boomers are now getting up to retirement age. Some of them have already passed that 65, and about 10,000 baby boomers retire every day. So that eventually leads to downsizing or moving, possibly moving into senior communities, not necessarily assisted living quite yet, but that's happening too. There are 30,000 assisted living facilities in the United States. So if you divide that out, it's about 600 per state. So there's a lot of downsizing going on that is supported by other industries like assisted living, senior living, those types of communities. So as this is going on, all these people are downsizing and they're having estate sales and they're getting rid of their stuff that they don't want to have to move. Another factor is that baby boomers were a much more affluent generation than their parents, the silent generation. So they've got more stuff, and baby boomers, they're a different generation altogether than others we've ever seen as far as affluence, accumulation, and they actually had fewer kids than their parents. Back during the silent generation and before, families were very large. You had a lot of kids because you didn't know if how many of them were going to survive to adulthood, and we were an agricultural society, so families had a lot of kids to help with that, to help with the farm work, and have more helpers around. So baby boomers have smaller families, and you couple that with being a more affluent generation, they just have a lot of stuff that they're not going to pass on to their kids. So the silent generation and years before them, basically estates were pretty small. There was a lot of children. When someone died, it was pretty easily handled. But now the baby boomers have caused this estate sale industry to actually boom because of all of these factors that cause this perfect storm. So this is something that we can get in on as eBay sellers. But I know a lot of you out there are intimidated by estate sales. You've never been, you don't know what to do. I was one of those people until about 8 years ago. I happened to have a friend that took me to some with her because I'd never done it. I didn't know what to do. I compared it to like going to Catholic church with my cousins when I was little, and there was all this standing up, sitting down, kneeling, talking to the priest, saying things back, all this stuff that I didn't know what the routine was. I felt very out of place. So an estate sale can feel like that if you've never been and you don't know what to do. So that's what I'm going to outline for you in this course. So let me just tell you what this course is about. And you want to be sure to click on this tan colored description bar under the add to cart button there so that you can read all about it. But basically, this is a 2-hour video course. There are 6 videos on the following topics, which include why there are more estate sales now than ever before, the pros and cons of estate sales, actual items I have bought from estate sales and sold on eBay and why I bought them, family run versus company run estate sales, pros and cons of both kinds, how estate sales are set up, room by room shopping and buying tips, things to know before you go, estate sale etiquette, and how to find and preview estate sales online. And every course I offer comes with my Learn It, Know It, Master It guarantee, which means if you're not happy with the class, if you don't understand something, if you need extra help, you just get in touch with me and we work it out. We can do a phone call, we can do email support, whatever you need to be a success, because I want you to be successful with this and learn how to do it if that's what you want. So the guide is $39. It's an instant download. As soon as you purchase it, you should get an email right back from me with your download link. If you don't see it, look in your spam folder because sometimes it goes there. If you still don't see it after a couple of hours, send me an email and I will get it to you. So I've worked on this course for quite a while, and it's 2 hours of material that is yours to keep. And it's just videos you watch, so you don't have to read anything. It does work best on a laptop or a desktop. So if the videos don't work on your mobile phone, you'll want to watch them on a computer or an iPad. So I hope this helps you learn more about estate sales, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day on eBay. Bye.